Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Mundhra from Bikaner Polymers. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. In this video, I'll be talking about our range of threaded cans. In this range, we have the 80 mm range, 1000 ml, 900 ml, 850 ml, 800 ml, 1000 ml again in different shape, 500 ml, 430 ml and 275 ml. We also have a 63 mm range, which in this we have 500 ml, 430 ml, 350 ml, 250 ml, 200 ml. These range are used for gifting. We also have this 63 mm long cap range, in which we have 200 ml, 250 ml, 300 ml, 350 ml and 450 ml. We make these cans in threaded caps in square shape also. We have this 53 range also. I'll be demonstrating different type of sealing that can be used on these RTC cans and jars. For this, first I will show you our iron body can seaming machine. We make these machines to seal cans with easy open end. It's a can rotating machine in which the can rotates. You can see proper sealing is done. You can apply a PET cap or a PP cap. This is a PET cap on top. Second, I'll be demonstrating the same can. In that, we will be doing induction wet sealing. We will open this after 1 minute. Till that time, we will be doing foil sealing on the same can. As you can see, foil sealing is done. We will apply cap on top. Cap fitting is proper. Now we will open the induction wet sealing. As you can see, induction wet sealing is also proper. So the same can be used with easy open end in the machine, with induction wad and with foil sealing. We can provide various colors of cap. We can provide PP caps also with name engraving on top. PET caps are shiny and PP caps are little translucent. For more details, contact us. Contact details are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.